dedicated towards the transformation of transportation, ensuring safety, reliability and sustainability, and contributing to the nation's technological advancement. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor is all set to take a giant leap in the transportation sector. The 508-kilometer long alignment of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor will transverse through Sabarmati, Ahmedabad, Anand, Nadiyad, Vadodara, Bharuch, Surat, Bilimora, Vapi in Gujarat and Boisar, Virar, Thane and Bandra Kurla complex in Maharashtra. The MAHSR project will reduce the travel time between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, give a boost to the economy, benefit sectors like tourism and infrastructure, and give thrust to the Make in India initiative. The project has already started generating direct and indirect employment. India will be using the world-famous Shinkansen technology for this project, which is known for its technological advancement and has a zero passenger fatality record in the past 55 years of its operation. The state-of-the-art aerodynamically designed high-speed train sets using Shinkansen technology have 10 cars and can seat approximately 730 passengers. Passengers can choose to travel in one of the three classes: standard, business and first or grand class. The double-skin aluminium alloy body of the train minimizes noise inside the car. The long and sharp nose of the E5 Shinkansen reduces the aerodynamic drag, which also reduces the blasting sound, which is generated due to micro-pressure waves created while the high-speed train exits a tunnel. The thematic design of each station on the route will reflect the essence of the city in which they are located. The architecture of stations will be an amalgamation of global technology with the taste of local culture. Inspired by the Dandi March movement, a multimodal passenger hub near Sabarmati HSR station is also taking shape. The hub will integrate connectivity to the Sabarmati HSR station, Western Railway stations, metro station and BRT corridor. The construction work has already started in all the 8 districts of Gujarat and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, covering 352 kilometers of alignment out of 508 kilometers. The works related to the construction of piers like piling and pier caps are under progress. Full-span box girders are being cast at several locations. The 40 meters full-span box girder weighs about 970 metric ton, involving 390 cubic meter of concrete and 42 metric ton of steel, and is cast in a single piece. The full-span girders are being erected by using indigenous heavy machinery like straddle carrier, bridge launching gantry, girder transporter and launching gantry. The HSR stations are also taking shape along the alignment. The bridge works on important rivers like Narmada, Tapti, Mahi are also in progress. The longest river bridge of 1.2 kilometers will be on the Narmada river. The first bridge on Baar river is already completed. Casting yards have been developed along the alignment to cater to the peak requirement of superstructure casting and erection. As we step into Amrit Kal, India's first bullet train, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor project will not only be a glorious example of our Atmanirbharta, but will also be pivotal in putting India on the track to global prowess. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor, accelerating transformation towards New India.